very grateful. I mean, whenever I check something online, like it's just not wishes. Yeah, they are really praying for him. The whole nation is actually praying for him. I was getting goosebumps reading some of the messages. Really, it's just great. I'm very sure that he'll put a lot of hard work and he'll do his best and. Yeah, he'll make us proud for sure. Today I did not have a call with him before the game, but normally we speak every night. Discussing about his games, analyzing the games. I mean, I'm also a player, so we discuss a lot about the game. And yesterday night when I was speaking, I said, it's the last day of the tournament. Just to enjoy. After all, he's playing the best player, and that's what I said. He normally does that. Anyway, he loves to play chess. He enjoys a lot, so I just told him the same.
In today's game, you want why you felt that he's a bit low, good. What's the message for him?
Like the first game with white pieces, he had slight edge, but nothing more. But in the time trouble, he made few errors in the end, and it was already difficult for him to come back in the game. And in the second game, it's already difficult to win a must-win in situation because he's Magnus. He has a lot of experience playing the matches, knockout formats, and so on. In the next game, he played, but it was a draw. Like he didn't get much of a chances. Yeah.
Support from family, particularly the mom, has been missing like a shadow. Our support was.
Yeah, our parents has been our biggest support for us. Our mother accompanies to the tournaments, like all of her tournaments, and sometimes it's not easy because I'll be playing some women tournaments and my brother plays some super tournaments. But she makes sure that she's with us all the time. Sometimes she travels with him, and the next day immediately she has to travel with me. But she doesn't think too much about it. Like she just wants us to be. She wants with us to be, and she just wants that best results for us, best thing in our lives. So. She has been great support, especially it's not easy, especially in such a grueling event. It's 1 month event, and the energy is really important for especially Preg, and he's also a kid. Yeah, we should always remember that. And my mother cooks, make sure he gets the home food, so to have the same energy as much as possible. And she has been a great support for us. And our father, he's biggest support as well. He got polio attack when he was 2.5, 3 years old, and it's not been very easy for in his life. But he makes sure that we are having a comfortable life, and also that whenever we travel to tournaments, he makes sure he books tickets, accommodation. Planning, managing everything, every little thing. For me and my brother, the main thing is to just practice and play tournaments well. That's the thing. Both my mother and father, they take care of everything for us, both of us.
There's a message before there was prayers and all. There's a message flowing from all over India, wishing him such a small thing to finals. What's your payback to them? What's your message to them?
Yeah, very grateful. Whenever I check something online, it's just not wishes. Yeah, they are really praying for him. The whole nation is actually praying for him. I was getting goosebumps reading some of the messages. Really, it's just great. Thanks to all of them. Each and one of them, really grateful. I don't know what else to say. I'm sure that this is just the beginning of Preg's career, and he'll bring back a lot of glory to our nation. And he's just starting now. He's selected for the candidates next year. I'm very sure that he'll put a lot of hard work and he'll do his best. And he'll make us proud for sure.